Spoken to a slew of people at the Bharat AI Impact Summit. Let's listen it.
Well, viewers, we are at the AI Impact Summit 2026, walking around at Bharat Mandapam, giving you all the updates, the visuals, the innovations that have come up at the AI Impact Summit. And now we have a stop at Tech Mahindra, which has now, creating a lot of innovations. And in fact, the Tech Mahindra is a part of India AI mission, and only GIS, large IT firms, selected for it. They are making at 8 billion parameters LLM model built from scratch in India here, along with the other important things. And also we'll now have a conversation with Nikhil Malhotra, Chief Innovation Officer and also the Head of AI and Emerging Technologies at Tech Mahindra. Sir, thank you so much for talking to NewsX. Sir, firstly, let me begin with your meeting with Prime Minister, because that was one of the special movement of this AI Impact Summit. So what conversation did you have, and what innovation or the futuristic thinking that you have interacted with the Prime Minister?
No, so Azu, first of all, thank you so much for NewsX covering us in terms of what we are doing. But I think it's a matter of great pride and honor, and also I was humbled. He's such a great man, he knows. I think one of the things that I really found out what he knows is, he knows his stuff. He knows what he wants. And one of the only conditions that he gave us was, look, you can build a lot of models, but unless and until they get diffused with local population, there is no point in building those AI, right? So be very practical, be very pragmatic. You don't have to boil the whole ocean. At least even if you can pick up a use case which impacts the society, which impacts Indians at large, do that. That personal, experiences that he brings and that we take from him are so interesting, and then it gives you that impetus to do whatever you're doing is right. So I also had a chat with him and I said, we are building this educational LLM. So he asked me, what education would you give? So I said, I'll be very narrow, sir. I'll only look at physics. I'll only look at grade 6 to grade 12. I don't want to boil it at this point. So he's happy. He said, the question now we have to see is, how does it get deployed amongst a large population in terms of what you do? So that's what we are doing over here. That's our effort. In the next coming 6 months or whatever, our effort would be, how do we hone this? How do we then take it to, really the ground level in terms of what you want to do?
So, Nikhil, what the Prime Minister has seen now, our viewers also wanted to see that. What have you shown to the Prime Minister?
No, so we, at this point, it was not ready. We actually made it ready, this kind of a portal. So you remember we made the first Indic LLM, which was Indus. We extended Indus to something from an educational base. What you see is a portal which any student, and the interesting part from this portal is it's actually not running from the internet. It's actually running right here on an Intel device. Now, the question is, this is very, very interesting for us because this becomes off-taken and doesn't have a problem of internet not being there. So any college community which is available in rural sector, or let's say in tier 3, we have internet problems, you can still have it as an offline mode over here, number one. Number two, if you go, we have actually looked at Vigyan at this point, because Vigyan is something, you can ask any number of questions over here, and this is basically asking a question of what is Gurutwakarshan, which is gravity. You can ask it in Bhojpuri, you can ask it in certain other ways that you want to do.
It is present in multiple languages.
It is present in multiple languages. It's present in dialects of Hindi. Hindi is spoken in 37 plus different ways in which the country speaks, right? One of the other things that we do is that Bal Ka Hula is basically a Bhojpuri way of looking at it. So it actually talks to you in that Bhojpuri language in terms of what Bal or force is, which is Newton's value. But look at this. This is a Sahpati. You can have a textual chat. We went ahead and we said, we will also create a meta-human tutor for you, which is available for 24/7. So you can choose any topic, let's say Gati, and a meta-human teacher-like system comes to you. Good part about this, or the innovation over here, is that it's also running here. Yeah. And the amount of graphics that we have actually ported in onto the web is something that comes out over there. So she knows the lectures, she knows the topics. She will start talking about it as, as Neeraj presses this over there. I think the volume we'll have to probably look at it, but you can stop it in the middle, raise a hand like a student would do, and actually ask a question. Now, the other thing is, if Neeraj goes back, you can actually go ahead and say your pariksha as well. Now, I learned a topic. Do I want to test myself on it, right? So it becomes self-explanatory for a student. So you can actually talk about dhvani kya hai, You can start talking about certain questions. And this has also been generated by AI on the fly in terms of the topics and the book that we have actually read. The book is CBSE or NEP structure that we are following. Whatever is actually taught over there, we've actually brought it in. You can do it. I got only 1 out of 20, but you can still go ahead. The best part about this is we have our own agentic platform called Orion. We have made it in Hindi and placed it back. So a student can go in and say, can you help me train for the next 5 days because I don't know. So it builds out a timetable and gives it to you in terms of. So our job, as we said, is can we take education to the masses, number one, but also can we ensure that the creativity of child is not curbed because they don't understand a language, right? They speak a certain way. So that is what Project Indus is. We are still doing more. We plan to release it by April, May in terms of.
Definitely, we have picked several things. One is the internet is not needed for the education because there is an Intel that is being used. No internet. If it is a village, even that, then also you can have AV education. Why use of AI and there is no internet needed. Second thing, the language is not the barrier anymore. So the Tech Mahindra, the education that is being provided, why the use of AI? So the education is the lessons are being provided in the multiple languages. So definitely a lot of models, lot of innovation that are coming in. And now what the thinking is behind this is that the education reach to the masses and a lot of people get educated from in an interesting way, not only by lectures but also through the visuals. I'm Arzu Seth with video journalist Dinesh for NewsX in Delhi.